In this video, we will learn about CSS properties through which we can style our text on our web page. So CSS is a crucial tool for formatting and presenting text on web pages. It offers an extensive range of properties dedicated to modifying the appearance of text elements. These properties allows us to control aspects such as font, type, size, color, alignment, spacing, decoration, and more. In this video, we will cover these CSS text properties: color, text align, text decoration line, text transform, letter spacing, and line height. And the first one is the color property. The color property in CSS is used to determine the color of text. We can specify the color using three different methods. Firstly, we can use a color name such as red to set the desired color. Secondly, we can utilize a hex value like #FF0000 to define the specific shade. Lastly, an RGB value like RGB 255 and 0 allows us to adjust red, green, and blue channel individually for more precise control over the resulting color. Now after this color property, we have text line property. The text line property is commonly used to determine the horizontal alignment of text. It offers various options such as left align, right alignment, center alignment, and justified alignment. These options allow you to effectively control the positioning of our text within a document or web page. And then we have text decoration line property. The text decoration line property is quite handy when it comes to adding a decorative line to text. It offers various values like underline, overline, line through, and more. A useful tip is that you can even combine multiple values such as overline and underline to display both lines above and below the text. This allows for creative customization of text decorations. Then we have text transform property. The text transform property is a useful CSS feature that allows us to manipulate the appearance of text in various ways. One of its functionality is to control the case of letter in a text. With this property, you can convert all letters to uppercase or lowercase or capitalize the first letter of each word. It provides flexibility and control over how your text is displayed on your website or application. Now after that, we have letter spacing property. The letter spacing property is a useful tool that allows us to control the spacing between characters in text. By adjusting this property, you can either increase or decrease the space between characters to achieve the desired visual effect. Here is an example that demonstrates how you can manipulate the letter spacing property to modify character spacing. And now the last one is line height. The line height property allows us to control the spacing between lines of text. By using this property, we can adjust the multiple space between lines to enhance readability and improve the overall appearance of our content. And by default, the line height between two lines is 1.0. Alright, today we covered CSS properties for styling text that we use most of the time. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can put those in comment section below. Until next time, keep coding and keep creating. I will see you in the next video.